everybody's doing well. I'm back. I have a new diamond painting here to unbox with you. So this one here, I actually ordered from a new company. I usually order from DizPaint and Home Fun because I really like their canvases, but I found this company. I wanted to order a canvas to do for my basement to replace my Disney princess that I did that was a complete fail. I can link the video or put, basically the canvas was too thin, the diamonds were poor quality, and it was a mess. I wasted probably 3 months doing that diamond painting and was really, really disappointed. But anyways, I found this company, and what I like to do is look at when I'm ordering off AliExpress, I don't like to look at the pictures that the company supplies, but looking at the review pictures to see what the quality of the diamond paintings looks like that people are actually getting. So these canvases looked really similar to Home Fun and DizPaint, but the store is called Disney Diamond Painting Store, and a lot of their pictures were like Disney pictures, or cartoon characters, that kind of thing. So anyway, I don't know what I'm getting. This is a new company. This was a huge risk because I ordered a huge canvas from them. We'll see. So we're going to look at it together and just see what I got. So I was really impressed with the delivery time on this package. It came in less than 2 weeks. I want to say maybe 13 days. It actually still says that the estimated delivery date time on this is like a week and a half from now. So yeah, that's awesome. So it comes in a nice little box here. This looks like a newer company. I haven't seen any reviews on YouTube about them. It's a huge canvas. This is it's supposed to be a 60 by 80. So anyway, the box is a little bit crushed here. It says Fashion Diamond Painting, DIY. The box looks quite nice. So let's see what we're gonna get. I'm trying to zoom out here as much as I can. Okay, I think that's about as much as we're gonna get. Okay, so we got a little bit of this ugly yellow packing tape on here. This tape stinks. I don't know if anybody else finds that, but okay, so we have a little piece of a foam roller. All right, here's our canvas. That looks really nice, and you know what it is? It is the same kind of canvas that Home Fun uses. It's very, maybe not. It's really almost like a vinyl. Soft on that side though, and this side's really plasticky. So I've got the canvas. Let's see what else is in our box here. This is a huge box. Oh, drills. Oh, there's more in there. Come on out. Let's just open this side and we'll see what we've got. I'm not sure. Oh, more drills. Okay. So we've got one toolkit. We've got our canvas. It's a little crumpled, but not bad. And that's on a foam roller. There's a cat. And we have 2 bags of drills here. So that's good. Looks like everything's there. I'll have to do an inventory on it. So let's take a quick peek at our sheet here. I can't believe how big this one is. I haven't done a big one like this in a long time. So, okay, yeah, and this is very similar to the Home Fun. I'm almost wondering if it might be the same company, just with a different name. So there is my rendering. I'll show you the picture that I'm gonna do. So pretty. I'm so excited for this, guys. It is a Cinderella, but different colors, and I love the little glass slipper and love the colors in her dress. So we have 32 colors. It's not a lot, but it's I think it'll still be okay. I wish there was more colors, to be honest, but okay. All right. Take a look at the drills. I did order a square, and yeah, this is a Home Fun. That's a Home Fun. It must be the same company, just a different name. I'm sure that there is a lot of companies that we have our standard toolkit with a 3-placer, tweezers, and a large plate of wax and some baggies on the white boat. And we're gonna take a peek at our canvas. I'm so excited to start this one. I'm almost done I'm working on a 50 by 70, and I'm gonna start this one next, hopefully in the next couple days. So maybe I'll do some whip and chats with this one. I haven't done many. It's been pretty busy around here, so I'm gonna open this a little slower just so that I don't wreck it. Oh my goodness, this is big. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna take it off the roller here. Roll it the other way. Okay, let's see what we can do here to get this thing to lay flat. You know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this off camera and come back once I have this flattened out because I don't want to wreck this. All right, so I'm back. I did get this to lay flat. That was a bit of a process, but I got it. It's too big to even fit in the frame. So I'm gonna pull back one section here just so we can take a peek at it together. I kind of glanced, but lots of black. So let's pull this back. All right, our drill field is nice and clear. There's a few little ripples in there, but like nothing major. I think I can work around those. I think it's just from the size. Like that one there, I'll have to flatten that one out. Yeah, there's a few. That one there, but I don't think it's anything that I can't work around. Let's take a peek at our drill field here if we can. Get up nice and close there. Looks awesome. Looks nice and clear, nice symbols. It looks true to size, and looks like there's going to be lots of color blocking. You know, there's not a lot of detail, but I think with the size of it, I think this is going to work. So anyway, guys, yeah, so this is a new company. This is called the Disney Diamond Painting Store. Shipping was good, quality was good, packing was really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to see this one get working up. So anyway, guys, thank you. We will chat with you soon. Bye.